morning, YouTube. Paul Bates and Daisy here. Day 32. Markets mixed. Crypto's up big. Keto dirty. And that's just because I have a few drinks after work. I still practice keto. When you add the alcohol, too much sugar. Anyway, Daisy went for her walk. She loved it. We take a nice 1.2 mile walk in the morning when I do go to work. So work was very busy today. 2 more trucks out the door, so that's all good. And then it's getting winding down though. I think we have 2 trucks today, and then it should be over. So today would be Friday-ish. Then when I got home from work, me and Bev watched a few episodes of Designated Survivor. We're both in love with that show. We're not allowed to watch it without each other. And it's like one of our favorite Netflix series right now that we're watching. And might finish it this weekend. I don't know, there's still a lot of episodes. I don't have a lot of time for it. But when I do enjoy watching it with her. Then another thing we talked about last night is our future. I mean, what are our future plans? And there's a lot up in the air right now because who knows about our jobs? Who knows? She is secure anywhere. She works for UPS. Not going to shut UPS. That's an essential, and she's a package loader, and we get our medical insurance through that, so it's freaking awesome. So when we talk about this, though, do we want the trawler, and do we want, what kind of life do we want here? And my ultimate dream is to put together a property and then build a building on it, and then have my trawler out in the ocean. That is the ultimate goal. And will it happen? Yeah, I think it's gonna happen. Especially when you see Digibyte making, 209% gain in the last month. I mean, people are going to start seeing those numbers, and it's just crazy. It's a great blockchain. I started buying it probably not quite a year ago. It's July 24th was my first buy on it, and I paid, probably right at where it's at right now. But I kept buying it as it went down, and then I keep buying it as it goes back up. So we'll see. I mean, it could be, life-changing for me and Bev. It really could be. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy here. We love you guys. Practice social distancing. Hopefully this thing's over soon. I would think in the next 30 days, we should be getting somewhat back to normal. It's looking like Utah here has opened up the parks, and the businesses still are not open. But I think I assume that's probably going to come here in the next probably 15 days. So we didn't get hit nowhere near as bad as some of the big states, cities. Our little city here in St. George, I think we fared it really well compared to most. I mean, we don't nowhere near hospital beds. But people are going to start seeing that too, especially you live in these big cities with lots of population and you want to retire. I mean, this is, believe it or not, I don't want to tell anybody this because I love this city. But we won't be retiring here. We're going to go somewhere closer to the grandkids is where we want to build our property. And then, we'll be out in probably the West Coast is where we'll have our trawler. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, love you guys. Peace out. Be good out there. And try and stay out of trouble. On my blog today, on my other channel, Financial Freedom, we will be talking about Digibyte. So if you guys want to see that, go over there and watch it and look when we bought it and where it's at and what it's been doing and the community and everything. Thanks. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out.